Wagwan everybody, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today we're gonna be making this refreshing, healthy beetroot and carrot drink in my kitchen. So if you are interested, stick around guys. Now I have my nicely washed oranges. I'm using my carrots. I'm using 2 beets that I removed the skin, and I use my ginger. Alright, so I did wash mine nicely in some baking soda water. I let it soak just to remove all the impurities. Now I went ahead and I cut up my carrots and my beetroot. Now for me, I don't love I'm not a big fan of beetroot, but I know it's healthy, so I try to consume it even though I don't like it. Now you can add as much ginger as you like. The type of orange that I'm using is a silver orange. Now it's very sour, so because I didn't have any lemon or lime, I'm using the silver orange to replace them. All right, so I'm not going to be preparing a lot of drink. Now you can always double or triple the recipe. Alright, so now I'm going to transfer my beetroot, my carrot and my ginger into the blender. Now because I'm not making a lot, I'm just gonna blend all of it at once. Now if you don't have a blender, or if you want to use a juicer, then you can go ahead and use what you prefer. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use some water to blend mine. Now for me, I don't add ice to my drink or my punch. I just add it to the fridge and let it chill. But what if you're a person who likes to use ice? Then while blending, you could add some ice, or you could add it after you're finished blending. So I'm just gonna add enough water just to cover the level of the beetroot. Alright, or maybe about 2 inches above the level of the beets and the carrot and ginger. Now guys, beetroot has so many health benefits, the carrot as well, the ginger and even the silver orange, because it's citrus, so it has a lot of health benefits. So I'm gonna leave some some information on screen, so you could always while watching, you could always just view it just to inform or to learn more, because I know that many people know about the benefits already. But if you don't know it, if you know of someone who would be interested, you could always go ahead and share the video. Alright, now I'm gonna be using my strainer to remove the juice, alright, or to extract the juice. I normally just pour my mixture in the strainer and allow it to drain by itself, and the last part, now I just use my spoon just to kind of squeeze the leftovers. Alright, now I like to double strain mine. Now this part was a bit messy guys, but I am so sorry. I didn't even realize that some of the juice was spilling, but that just happened naturally. Alright, so I like to double strain mine. So as you can see guys, I double strained and this is all I got from it. So you want to double or triple strain your drink. Alright, so this is my silver orange. It's very sour, as I said before. So I'm going to extract the juice, and then after extracting, I'm going to add it to the blended mixture. Alright, now guys, if you have like a juice extractor, you could always use it to remove the juice from the orange. But I am old school and I'm a Jamaican, so we like to use our hands just to extract the juice. Alright, now I'm just using one of the silver orange. If you're making more, because it's so sour, you don't need to add a whole lot, but depending on your taste, because what if you like your drink on the sour side, then you could add 2 if you're making like this amount that I'm using. Now the citrus give your drink that nice pop of red color. Yes, so now I'm gonna add a little sugar. This part is completely optional guys. If you don't want to add the sugar, then add some honey, or if you just want to drink it just like that, it's so refreshing. But I didn't add much sugar, so it's like, for me, it's not as healthy, but it's still healthy enough. Alright, so you just want to mix to get all of that sugar dissolved. And if you're a person who loves it sweeter, then you can go ahead and add more sugar. But this amount of sugar is fine for me, and it's not too thin, it's okay. All right. So I want to say thank you for watching, and please share the video, guys. Beetroot is very nutritious, it's healthy, and it helps us with, like, person with low blood count and all of that. It's very good for you guys. So this is another way you can make it without adding, like making it as a punch. I enjoy this way more because it tastes too bad to me with the condensed milk, but that's just my choice. All right. But I have a punch recipe that I made with the beets and the carrot, and I added some condensed milk and all of them good stuff there. So I'm gonna leave that link in the description box where you can check it out.